Thank you for joining Leviton Security and Automation here at CEDIA 2013 in Denver. We're in booth 1729 right now, checking out all the latest and greatest from Leviton. This is a touchscreen that we just released 2 weeks ago, hot off the presses, available in black and white. It looks just like a tablet. It functions very similar to a tablet, but it's a nice dedicated device, especially from a security perspective. In the middle of the night, you don't want to be searching for a tablet, hoping its battery is powered, hoping you can open that app in time. You want to go to this security button every single page, every single time, in the middle of the night or in the middle of the day, and have direct access to this. So I can hit panic buttons, I can look at zones. If I want to bypass a motion detector or bypass a window that I want to keep open but still arm the alarm, I can do that. When I hit the away button and enter my code, everything in the house can react. So not only does the security arm, but the doors can lock, the shades can close, the lights can dim, the temperature can be adjusted, the audio can turn off, and it's really a one-touch system. So lighting control is huge inside of homes, and whether it's Z-Wave, Zigbee, UPB, KNX, Dolly, any proprietary or standard that we work with right now, we try and be the universal solution. You're going to be able to control that, and it looks just the same, whether it's Z-Wave or what technology type does not matter. I can actually go in here and dial it down to 30% or any percentage between 100 and 0. Or I can tap this on-off, and it can actually go to 100% or 0%. Over here would be scenes. We don't have it programmed today, but that would be scenes like movie time, entertain, bedtime, things like that. And it's not limited to this screen. Again, it's not static. You simply scroll up and can have a dozen different scenes there for that area. Temperature, Leviton does temperature control and thermostatic control incredibly well. We've been doing it for many, many years. You can have up to 64 thermostats on a single system. So if I only have one thermostat, it's going to go to a page that I'll show you in 1 second. But maybe I have many thermostats. Maybe it's a commercial operation with 32 thermostats or a large residence with 40 thermostats. Or I can simply scroll through just like all the other screens. The default thermostat will be displayed here, so that way I have direct access to my heat and cool set points. But if I really want to get more information, I can hit the details button here, generally. There we go. And actually control the heat, the cool, the auto, off, fan and hold, as well as a humidifier or dehumidifier. So I can touch this guy and go into the dehumidification settings and the humidity settings as well. And it really is a total control solution as far as your energy management is concerned. Cameras, we just introduced the brand new camera. Hey, how you doing? And we can actually touch it and make it full screen if we want, so we can see who's coming down the driveway. Yet again, you could scroll through, IP, analog, doesn't matter, we can control it all. Our audio system is the Hi-Fi 2 audio system. Many people are very familiar. We use a typical slider bar there to adjust audio from 0 to 100%, and that's displayed here in the top right corner as well as over here, so I can see every room and every source that's currently attached to that room. So the master bedroom is currently playing from my Bluetooth device. If I want to adjust that source, I simply go right here and select the new one. Simplified controls, play, pause, next track, and if there's metadata attached, it would be displayed right there as well, so I could see the title, artist, album name, things of that nature. Door locks are very popular, of course. We integrate with our own access control system. It's a hardwired, very encrypted security system. But we also integrate with Zigbee and Z-Wave locks from Yale, Kwikset, Black & Decker, Schlage, all those guys. And it's a simple operation. I simply touch the lock, and it's going to actuate that lock to either lock it or unlock it. And I can quickly see at a glance, okay, this one's locked, this one's unlocked, we need to change this around. A macro is something that our customers know frequently as buttons. We changed that name because it's not an actual hard button. When we first started out, it was a physical button that you had to push, but macros are more common. Again, we can have dozens and dozens of macros over here, and you can actually assign these to an individual room, which is important because you can segment all of these different devices. So whenever I go into the living room, only the devices that are accessible in the living room are there. I don't have lights or temperature or something like that. Well, then that icon won't be displayed. Or maybe I have 250 lights, and I don't want to scroll through all of those. Maybe I only have 2 lights in this area, and I want immediate access. So I can just tap on and tap off and scroll and slide and all of that. And there's some additional features in here as well. It has a built-in speaker as well as microphones, 2 speakers. It's a noise-canceling microphone as well. And it allows you to enact home automation scenes directly from this device. There's also an ambient light sensor, which really allows you to place it in an area that may be exposed to a window in varying light degrees throughout the day. Well, this is going to automatically adjust that brightness and contrast for you, so that way you can easily see it regardless what time of day it is or where that placement happens to occur. So really, this is a great option. It's our 7th generation touchscreen. We first introduced one back in 2003. So this is a very popular item. We sold out of our initial batch already, reordered, and have more coming at you. So please check this out. It's a very affordable product, the most capable touchscreen, and the most affordable that we've ever produced. So Leviton Security and Automation here. Greg Rhodes, appreciate you stopping by CEDIA 2013. If you'd like more information, please check out our Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, or our new website, leviton.com/automation. Thank you very much from CEDIA 2013.